Welcome back to my channel. Way too much you guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming video. So this video is going to get a little bit long, I think. This video is related to the documents which you need to carry before you're joining or time of joining, whatever. So I have listed the documents which is absolutely required, mandatory, whatever you can call it, and which all documents is not actually necessary on board, so you can skip those documents, not required. Okay, I will tell you all these details for all deck officers and engine officers also, means engineers, as well as the ratings, and I will tell you which all documents is not required for ratings officers. I'll segregate one by one. So first, that I used to carry this type of file, okay, heavy file actually. So my company used to provide files, but somehow I don't have that right now. I use this file because this file has the advantage, it is basically 4 hooks and you can add the lips. I basically use the thick kind of plastic lips, so you can add. So I will suggest you go for this kind of files which you can add the lips, because maybe you buy some file which are permanent lips are available, like 20 slips, then you can have at least 40 documents, not more than that. But if it is required to get more document to put in your file, so it will be difficult for you. Okay, so that was the file suggestion. So I will try to give one link in the description so you can buy from there. Amazon link I'll provide. Okay, so start with the documents. Okay, so please stick to the last of this video. For officers, engineers and GP rating, these documents are common documents. I will tell you which is not common. Okay, passport, endos, CDC for all, this is common. With passport, appropriate visa, it can be Australian visa, it can be Chinese visa, it can be Belgium visa, it can be US visa, is absolutely necessary. Next is COC. COC has different classes: second mate, chief mate, master. Then for engineers also class 4, class 2, class 1. So as per that you have to carry all your COCs. Okay, this is not for rating or crew. Then yellow fever. Yellow fever is for all, and please note here, you should not laminate your yellow fever certificate. Okay, you never. Then flag state document, very important. Flag state have several documents: CDC, COC, GOC. Okay, they are having 3 documents. Most likely, maybe some flag state is not having GOC, that can be happen. So depends, the company will tell you regarding this, so no need to worry. Now, most important is a basic STCW 2010 for all. So basically 5 certificates are there: PST, personal survival techniques; FPFF, fire prevention and firefighting; PSSR, then STS DSD, this is for the security; and EF, elementary first aid. These first 5 certificates are the basic STCW certificates which all seafarer must have. Okay, whether you are an officer, crew or engineer. And another STCW certificate is there, OTFC, oil tanker familiarization course, maybe some is required. Now advanced ROC, ARPA, ECDIS, GMDSS. In GMDSS there will be 2 documents, one is GOC booklet, another is GOC endorsement, that is for the deck officers. Now I will tell you 3 documents which is for all in the sense for deck officers and for engineers. PSCRB, okay, lifeboat and rescue boat, and AFF means advanced firefighting, and MFA, medical first aid. Apart from that, engineers has to do another course that is known as engine room simulator course. Okay, that is not for deck officers or things, that is only for the engineers. They need to do this course before their COC exams for second mates and for class 4. Now I would like to suggest, this is not mandatory document, but I would like to suggest always carry a copy of SPR. SPR means seafarer profile, very important. Download from the registration profile, and always carry color copy. Always carry your college passing certificate. Okay, no need to carry any kind of semester mark sheet and all, no need to carry. Just carry your college passing certificate, BSc degree, DNS degree, marine engineering degree, whatever, carry it. Okay, carry the birth certificate, very necessary document, carry it. Aadhaar card you can carry with you. And apart from that, company specific documents, in the sense ECDIS course, maybe some few courses, in-house courses, it is known as in-house courses, maybe done by your company, so you need to carry all those certificates, right? Another thing for tanker people, is not for the dry fleet but for the tanker people who are sailing on the tankers, they need to carry their DC and endorsement, okay, dangerous cargo certificate, and the endorsement for the specific course, LNG, LPG and tankers. So now for crew is watchkeeping and COP, this is necessary. So these are the mandatory documents I have told you. Apart from that, still a lot of documents need to be carried, I will tell you. But the documents which doesn't need to be carried, that is your class 10, 12 mark sheet, admit card, your registration certificate, then your passing certificates, these are not necessary. Always carry at least 10 passport size photograph, it requires sometimes, so please carry it. And apart from that, do not carry your semester mark sheets and all, not required at all, so you can skip those things, okay. So now another thing you need to carry, that is your just hold on for a second, these documents company will provide you. Introduction letter will be there, okay, ACE will be there. ACE means seafarer employment agreement. Apart from that, you need to carry your medical report, okay, medical report, maybe some companies having medical record book, you have to carry those also. Then if any briefing done, then that certificate will be carried. So company will provide 2 copies, one for you, one for master. All the joining documents, details, agent details, everything will be there on that particular envelope. 2 envelope will be there, one for your copy, another for master copy, okay. You have to submit to the master on board. So these are the documents is required for the joining. See, one thing remember, if you miss on cloth before joining, suppose you forget something to pack, a cloth, a soap, even your mobile you can buy, but if you forget the one document, you will be nowhere. Maybe they will send you back, maybe you have to come back to your home. So be very vigilant while packing your that file or folder, whatever you call it, and do not miss any document, okay. So that was it. Another thing I forgot to tell you, that if you are an officer and if you are having the Maritime Union of India card, that has to be also carried, okay. So that was it. Nowadays COVID vaccine certificate is also necessary, which an RT-PCR also, because this COVID pandemic, otherwise it was not required before. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share with your friends, so they can also minimize their mistakes. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.